Hello friends, this is your Balbir. Welcome to my channel Balbir San. In today's video, we will explore the manufacturing process in simple terms. This is perfect for professionals who don't work directly in manufacturing but want to understand how the products are made. Those who have not watched my previous videos, chapter 1 and chapter 2, I request please watch those two chapters so that it will be easy for you to understand this video. For ease of understanding of manufacturing process, I will take a case study. Let us say a company ABC manufactures televisions. So for this manufacturing of televisions, so I will explain you in 7 simple steps. First step is design. That is, designers and engineers, they create prototype of the product, that is TV in this case, and also they make the blueprints how this product should look and how it should function. That is step number 1, design. Now step number 2 is sourcing materials. When I say sourcing materials, to manufacture the television, we need certain raw materials and also we need certain semi-finished goods. Because the company in all, they will not manufacture every component of the television. So, but sometimes they get certain semi-finished goods like TV panels from some other suppliers. So, overall to say, to manufacture the television, what all raw materials like plastic, metals, etc. are required, and semi-finished goods like TV panels are sourced from suppliers. They ensure that everything needed for production is sourced through these suppliers. That is step 2, sourcing the materials. Step 3 is production planning. So managers, they decide how this product to be made and where to be made and how to schedule the operations. Overall, the manufacturing calendar is prepared by this production planning team, and how many machines are required and how many workers are required. So day-wise calendar is prepared by these production planning managers. That is step 3, production planning. Next step is step 4, that is manufacturing. This is the heart of the process. That is, here how these raw materials and semi-finished goods are transformed into finished goods, which is TV in this case, through machining, molding or assembly. So that is overall it's called as manufacturing. This is step 4. Step 5 is quality control. That is, after the product is completed manufacturing, so we have to ensure the quality of the product. That is, each and every item is inspected whether it is as per the blueprint, it is working fine, and as per the safety standards, everything have met. So all the quality checks will be done. This is step number 5. And next step number 6 is packaging. That is, once approved, so the products are packaged, they are labeled, they are boxed and prepared for shipping. That is step number 6 is packaging. Now step number 7 is distribution. So that is, distribution ensures that the products reach all the warehouses, that is in the factory warehouse, as well as to sell there will be warehouses at different locations. Ensure all the products are reached in time to those warehouses, or sometimes it is reached to retailers or dealers or distributors or even to the end customers through the logistics and supply chain management. So this whole step is called as distributions. So overall, these are the 7 steps. Hope it is clear for you the whole manufacturing process. In short, we call these 7 steps as design, source, plan, make, check, pack and deliver. So now, since we have discussed the manufacturing process, I want to touch what is the role and responsibility of IT personnel in this manufacturing process. So now all these manufacturing processes are readily available in certain applications like Oracle ERP or SAP. A IT individual should undergo training how this manufacturing process work in these particular applications like Oracle and SAP. Once they undergo the training, either through some certification program or so through some company, when you join that company, these trainings will be provided. So once you are trained in this Oracle or SAP, since you know the manufacturing processes even at a high level, so now you should know how to do the setup of these manufacturing processes and implement in applications like Oracle ERP or SAP or some other application. You should know how to implement, you should know how to maintain these manufacturing processes in these applications. Now I will touch what are the probable career opportunities in IT for these manufacturing processes. Now first let us say the IT guy, he knows all the manufacturing processes and he is required to manage these manufacturing operations in these applications like Oracle or SAP. Okay. This is one of the career opportunity. The next career opportunity is IT technical personnel. So this IT technical personnel, he takes care of any development or enhancements required for the company ABC. So he will take care on these applications like Oracle ERP or SAP. This is the second career opportunity. And next, we need database administrators to manage databases like Oracle database, where all the manufacturing data reside, and we need server administrators to manage the servers where this Oracle application and database reside, and we need infrastructure guys to manage the security, to manage the connectivity through network, so to these servers. And next career opportunity would be for the design engineers, R&D engineers required for the product design. This is another career opportunity. Okay. Like this, to manage this whole manufacturing process, a functional guy is required, a technical guy is required, DBAs, server administrators, then network engineers, then security engineers, then design engineers, R&D experts are required. Now, these are all the traditional and core competencies required by the IT department to manage the whole manufacturing process. So all these IT personnel should also enhance the skills in new technologies and modern IT technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, industry 4.0 or beyond. When I say industry 4.0 means, in a layman language, we call the factories as smart factories, means where there will be a lot of automations. In these kind of industry 4.0 or smart factories, there will be very less humans, and mostly the factories are managed by the bots like robots or robotic process automations, so on and so forth. I will give some examples when I say new technologies. For example, in a factory there will be machines. If the machine breaks down, there will be a production loss or delay in productions. So it's reactive mode, the machine is down, I'll go and fix it. But whereas if we can predict, so this machine is going to break down if you don't maintain it, so then there won't be any production loss. So there should be predictive maintenance of machines. And second example, I can say, so to identify the location of workers through sensors in case of any accident happens. So in that case, so there should be some mechanism to identify where the workers, in case they are missing during the accident, so that they can easily locate them and they can save them. And the same technology we can use for their daily attendance also. And the next example is real-time analytics from the machines. Means time to time machines can send the status, so like how many TVs they have manufactured today, how many are pending, what is the status. So this kind of real-time analytics the machines can send, the data can send from machines, so that the supervisors or the head of manufacturing units, they can remotely sit and watch them, and they can take quick actions. And the next example, I could say automated warehouses. So the warehouses, you can imagine, they will be so big. So the products, once they are manufactured, so automatically, so these products, using the bots, they can be placed on the racks, and whenever we want to deliver these products, so the bots can bring down them and they can, so this kind of automated storage and retrieval systems. So this is the next example, I would say. I am going to make a separate video on artificial intelligence and modern IT very soon. With this overall, I hope you have understood the manufacturing process and collaboration or mapping of IT with respect to manufacturing processes, and what is the role and responsibility of IT personnel, and what are the career opportunities for these manufacturing processes in IT. So in this, after explaining the manufacturing processes, so in the next video I will be sharing the sales processes. So I was supposed to share sales process in this video, but I thought before explaining the sales process, it is good to understand the manufacturing process, how the product is manufactured, then how that product can be sold. That's the intention. So in this video I have shared manufacturing process. In the next video, so I promise I will be sharing the sales process. Till then, thank you. If you like my video, please like the video and share, comment in comment box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share video with your friends or any graduates or any engineering college guys or any degree college guys, so that it will be useful for them. पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।